Hi you guys, it's Wendy coming to you with a project share. This time I've got a commission journal where the person wanted yellow, mushrooms, and nature to be kind of predominant. So I'm just going to get right in and show you what I made. I went ahead and collaged a cover of a lot of sort of same color scheme stamps, canceled stamps, and so very simple cover, and I left the back alone. I altered the book called Choose Joy, and I have got my little tassel here with a bunch of yellows and blacks, and I've got these little sort of raspberry antique beads on there as well. So I thought that would be fun. And then I'll just get right to a flip through. As per usual, I've got lots of kids illustrations, a pocket. I've got this Renoir reproduction, a tag, lots of cute little critters in here. My first little mushroom page. I actually had a hard time, with all of the books and things that I've thrifted, I didn't have very many mushrooms. I'm glad she didn't want just mushrooms. I found this scrapbook paper that says my eyes can now see the world's beauty. I've got a magazine page. Lots of bees mated in here just because of the color scheme, and of course with her wanting kind of natural things. Feather, little quote here from Cheryl Strayed. This little tapestry, cute little owl. This is a little watercolor I received as an ATC, and I cut it down just a little bit and stuck it in there. This is a little metallic piece of paper that I had just a little bit left of. Got this little squash and this cool little 70s lady. Let's see if I can show you guys up close. Isn't she cool? Got some more artwork. I try as much as I can just from an education standpoint to go ahead and leave the artist on there. That way the person, as they're flipping through, kind of knows what they're looking at. I don't always, but we've got a little sheet music. I have this little book. It's one of those inspiration books that has a bunch of kind of new agey quotes, and so I pulled out a few of those that seemed relevant. I've got this pretty lady here, the back of her anyway. Here's another one of those quotes from that same little book. We've got Klimt. I didn't put his name here because I assume everybody knows it's pretty popular artwork there. There's this little girl and her kitty. A paint chip. Got some crystals. Close-up of a bee. Got these little deer. This is a lady in I assume a apron. Looks like some turmeric. Here we have Vincent van Gogh, and it flips out for more journaling. But yeah, I liked how this came together. Got more bee imagery, and the sheet music matches to a honeybee. Some flip out journaling, honey images, bee images. I made this little pocket out of some paint chip samples. There's another owl. But yeah, it's kind of cool how when people give you just a couple of notes, that they want yellow and that they want nature and some mushrooms, it kind of starts to pull together a vibe. So I really enjoy that when I'm working on these. The back of this particular page, which is a coloring book page, each of the pages has a little quote. So I thought it was kind of cool that it has the Bob Marley song lyrics in it. Little kitty here. This cute little girl in her yellow galoshes. Got definition for mushroom. These cool little trunks. This bird. Tried to keep most things natural, but also was just kind of vibing off of, you know, what it was that she was wanting. Got this lady out of this, it's a book on motherhood. It's like a coffee table book, and they're kind of trippy 60s or 70s illustrations, so I've been including those in some of my journals. This is a page of eco paper, so I actually purchased these. I've never done it myself, but they basically take paper, roll a bunch of leaves and different branches and different things together, and then boil the paper, and the image of the leaf or the shrubbery or whatever sort of stays on there. You can see the leaf on this side. Let's see here. We've got another, well, maybe not. Little butterfly collection. This is the one that flips out. Little ATC, and then a guest page. This is a children's illustration of an owl. Some more children's illustrations. This was from a book on how to oil paint flowers. So there's a couple of pages from that. Coloring book page. This cool little science book for kids on sounds. Butterflies. Yeah, I mean, here's another little mushroom page. Playing card. This was from some painty paper experiments, so I just went ahead and added that. Bug page from an encyclopedia. Close-up of bees. Black-eyed Susans. This is a little, lots of little pockets in here, if I haven't been showing them. We have Bonnard, a little tag that I made of little scraps, and a couple more mushrooms. Some poems, more bees, another coloring page that had the mushrooms in it. Got this little ATC that I've included in here as kind of a topper for a journaling spot. I altered an envelope and put it in there. Another ATC, encyclopedia page for mushrooms. And then on my back page, I've got just this floppy disk holder with a tag in it. And I went ahead and finished it out with another illustration from this children's book, which basically mirrors the one that I started with. So anyway, yeah, that's what I came up with. Choose joy. We've got the yellow color scheme, the nature elements, and as many mushrooms as I could find. But anyway, just wanted to show you guys that. I am busier than ever with journals, people commissioning them. So I'm sure I'll be back within the next couple days to show you the next one. Hopefully you're doing well, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.